And right here is where I'm gonna put the jacuzzi.
You're gonna put a jacuzzi in your front yard?
Yep. All you have to do is lay down a concrete slab.
You don't think that's a little weird?
What do you mean? I can put a concrete slab anywhere I want.
No, I mean putting a jacuzzi in your front yard.
Dude, I said I can put a concrete slab anywhere that I want.
Okay.
I could put a slab in the desert, or even in the tundra, or even on the moon, or even on Mars.
On the Mars?
Yeah, on the Mars. Or I could put a huge concrete slab on top of your truck.
Dude, now you're just being a dick.
Or even on that house over there. Or even on the Danebo.
Hey guys, how's it going? Great! He owed me $8.
That's my bad, bro.
Yeah!
Table smash!
Wow. You totally killed Aaron.
Heat of the moment.
Yeah. You do know that you still owe me $8 though, right?
I will never pay you!
Just kidding. Let's go in the house. I'll grab my wallet.
You are a joker, Danebo. So how long have you been a super powerful demon?
Like 2.5 years.
And Aaron is what, like a wizard or something?
Used to be.